Greetings, everyone. Welcome to our first full module. I hope you felt our orientation was valuable. Now it's time to get to work. This particular module will be 2 weeks in length. Our overall due dates are this Wednesday, the following Monday, and then the following Friday, with a few micro dates in between for discussion forums. You may have noticed that there is a new front page in our class. Every time we have a new module, there will be a new one of these. Make sure you stop by and take a look each time. Don't worry if you wanted to see the first page over again. I have moved it to the orientation module at the top. You can go ahead and take a look there if you would like to. I would like to remind you that except for the orientation module, all of them will close 1 week after they end, so make sure you get all the information you need from the module and make sure to do your work in a timely manner. You may have noticed from my announcement or from just taking a look at the Module 1 itself, the introduction to the short text assignments, that some of the writing is light gray. The reason for that is that you must open each item in order. So make sure you do that, and then you will have access to any item and you can go back and click on it at any time. Just like with the orientation, this module has its own roadmap. I highly recommend that you carefully read through it and print it out. That way you have it in front of you and you make sure that you are doing all of the things that you need to for this 2-week module. I would also like to point out that there are several discussion forums in this particular module. Not all modules are quite this way, but this one is, so make sure that you are keeping track because each of these discussion forums are extremely valuable for your success in this class. With these 2-week modules, it might be really easy to fall into what I call the procrastination trap. I invite you to please avoid procrastination. Take a look at my definition of the word tomorrow. A mystical land where 99% of all human productivity, motivation, and achievement is stored. I invite you to make sure that you pace yourself and get things done today as opposed to tomorrow. Finally, I would like to remind you that we are a learning community. You are not in this class alone. There are times where you might be confused or you may need to look at what somebody else is doing in order for you to better understand the materials. That's A-okay. Please take advantage of that. You are not alone. Thank you.